Yo, what up, guys? What up? We are starting in a few minutes. Okay, we're starting a little earlier today, 15 minutes earlier. So yes, I'll be here for a bit. So we'll see what happens. All right, see you in a bit. What up, guys? Happy Friday. Also, you'll notice that the stream delay is off now. I've put 5 seconds only, so it's a lot better and easier to communicate and obviously follow the plays as well. So yeah. So Fridays, guys, I live in Dubai, so it's pretty much a weekend here already. As you know, or if you don't know, I have other commitments on a Friday. I play football, so market open, I am gone because I play at 7:30 and the market opens at 6:30, so I have to head out. When the clocks do change back an hour, then I will be trading for an hour in the Discord, but yeah, Fridays I am not able to trade. Get the screen, let me change the screen over so we can get everything sorted. There we go. Distinct. Oh, we're sorted. Everybody go retweet the stream so we can get everyone on there. I'm going to go through all the posts that I've missed. But yeah, I'll get to you guys all in a bit. We will see. Radio. Everybody, let's like up the stream as well. It goes a long way. Goes a long way. Long way. Okay, 39 people in here. We're getting going. Get some questions, tickers, all that stuff. All right, get them all in. Can be a dumb question, anything. Whilst you're doing that, I will be going over some questions about. Yeah, jobs report is out in 15 minutes. You are correct. Yes. Although it doesn't affect small caps. But yeah, it's Friday. Usually the market is kind of shitty anyway, so we'll see. SLRN needs 227. SLRN needs 227 break for entries. Above 227, you can look for entries. Anything below, who cares? Break above here, clean range to the upside. Right, MLGO, well done. If anyone took MLGO earlier, very nice job. Or MGOL, sorry. Very nice. Just catching up on things. Pull back. Nice. People have traded. A lot of people are just going through my Twitter stuff. A lot of people took it. So well done. Well done on that trade. Fantastic job. Rightio. Okay, let's see. Lays, what's happening here? Lays is my prediction. I did this today. I expect this to reverse. We'll see what happens. Fridays are a bit of a choppy day, but this is my Lays prediction. So I'll put this up on Twitter for you guys to save, screenshot, whatever you need to do. Yeah, always make sure to have a stop loss. Lays prediction. Lays prediction. Keep the questions coming in though. It's very important you ask questions. That's how you learn. If you don't ask, then you will never know. SOPA looks fantastic. I'm looking for above 253. Looks good for entries on this. CDT, this just had news. What was the news? Transition phase 2. Nice. Phase 2 development. 1 hour time frame. Obviously, this is bullish. Big breakout. If I was to take an entry on this, you could take an impulse entry above here, maybe 325. So 325. So CDT impulse entries above 3.25. So that means if the candle breaks 325, you can take the entry. If you don't, then you have to take it. All right. IVVD, what's happening here? IVVD is in a falling wedge, but look here on the 1 hour, it needs to hold 190. Okay, if it breaks below 190, yes, it is technically still valid because you have to stay inside of this wedge. But let's say in this example, if it goes obviously up here, then it does this, right? And it comes down, and let's say it breaks below. This is no longer valid, the setup. It's no longer bullish, so then expect it to go down. So as long as it respects this wedge, you are fine. All right, that's what it means. You are still bullish. Look up what a falling wedge is. This is a bullish reversal pattern. I use this pattern very often. Well, I used to, not so much anymore. MGOL looks fantastic. It looks like it's respecting VWAP still. Oh no, it broke below VWAP. All right, so this needs to reclaim VWAP for any entries. Right now, I don't like these current candles, like the last 15 minutes or so. A lot of wicks here, just showing indecision. So if you have a strong top wick and strong bottom wick on one candle, that just shows indecision. It shows that it wanted to go up, it wanted to go down, and then, you know, it couldn't really do anything. So you want a clear bullish candle like this, but you have these candle wicks like this where strong bottom and top wicks, just a lot of indecision, not too sure what happens, right? NIVF, I would say, needs to close above 0.2. It's been a very strange one. I expected it to run here. It didn't. Yeah, not too great, to be honest with you. I'm not really interested in this anymore, but we'll see. Maybe you can look for an impulse entry above here, above this 2178 or 2180, sorry. So impulse entry above here. What is this? NIVF, impulse entry above 0.2180. That means impulse just means what? What is impulse? Impulse means you do it on the spot. So impulse. So it breaks above here. Take it. UPC broke below this. So now we were in a bullish trend. Now we are confirmed that we are in a bearish trend based on the 5-minute time frame. So now if you're looking for an entry, I would say wait for a close above VWAP to enter. We do have a demand zone right here. We can use this last red candle. It's kind of a large demand zone, but demand zone is a demand zone. This is a last red candle for the move up. You could use this as well, but since this is also connected, I've just decided to use this whole section. So demand zone right here. There we go. All right, so maybe in demand zone, that's a good area to step in because that's where buyers do. Heading to demand zone. I'll get to all your questions in a bit, just going through the movers at the moment. LTRY, sorry, if there's close above 210, maybe you can look for an entry. Anything below, it's difficult because, you know, what's happening? Rejection, 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 right? Needs to close above, entries, maybe retest to go up. So wait for a close above 210. So if we have our candle body like this on the 5-minute, we have the candle body like this represented in the yellow, and we have a candle wick. That just means if the candle body closes above, you can look for your entry. If the candle body doesn't, then you don't take entry. Simple, easy, very simple strategy. All right, let me just retweet the stream link so people can get in, and then we will get started. All right. Hey, brother, DWTX, nothing, nada, 0, 0, 0. These are your key levels on DWTX at the moment. The chart is bearish from a larger time frame. Going to use this wick like that. Yeah, at the moment it's bearish, so I would avoid it. I don't know, it's a little bit difficult to take entries. Maybe above here, what is this? 1550, you could look for possible entries. Put this in blue, psychological level, and then move this wick up to that one. We just have a nice clean chart. So you see how I've just organized this chart, right? So now we know based on the 4 hour that if we close above 1550, we have room to this, and then we just have the next wick fill. I just use these wick fills here based on the 4 hour time frame. They are good key levels. So DWTX, wait for 1550 break to enter. All right. For those who just joined, please like up the stream. Also subscribe if you haven't. It goes a long way. We're going to be posting out some new videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that as well. Hope you're having a great Friday, mate. Possible review on OPTT? Yeah, sure. OPTT above $1, possibly good for entries. Right now it's just difficult because, as you can see, on a large time frame, rejection gets to $1, no rejection. So Close above, retest, then push up. So OPTT, just wait for that $1. I know a lot of people like this play or watching it. So yes, let me get you some key levels. I like to use the wicks, as I just mentioned on the previous setup. Like this. So these are your key levels. So OPTT, wait for $1 reclaim for entries. All right, $1 above can be good for entries. I personally wouldn't take anything now. Still in the downtrend as well. What up, Totes? Hello. What up, Roman? Hey man, any idea on GRR today? Have a look. GRR, very nice. This broke above key resistance, which was 1771. Someone in the Discord also asked about this. Very nice to look at a play like this, because since you've broken above resistance, you actually did get a little retest here. So maybe push to the upside. This could be my prediction on it. So this is GRR prediction. This is more of a swing trade. So this is a good play. Why is this a good play to take? Because you've broken above a resistance. We have strong bullish momentum to the upside. We're above VWAP. There's a high probability now that we will continue to go up. That's it. Simple. Not below a resistance, as I always show, and wait for the break. You've already got the break. It's there, right? So no need. LGHL, what's happening here? LGHL needs 0.17. LGHL, wait for 0.17 break to enter the trade. All right. What else is the any ideas? Yo Q. Happy Friday. Yes, happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Thankful for another great day. Let's go. Lasers here. This is my prediction. Probably not today. Might be a big sell-off, or it will rally, because there's no real in between. We'll just range, because Fridays are usually a sell-off, or sometimes, I mean, this sector especially, it's very at open. These plays always seem to run and then they just die off, so it's difficult to trade. But yeah, it's just definitely a place to watch for sure. I do like it long term as well. EDBL's breaking below support 0.2 here. Needs to hold 0.2. EDBL needs to hold 0.2. So yeah, right now it's in a falling wedge. Psychological level, there's two confidences there that this should go up, but yeah, looks good though. Small low volume as well, so hopefully it does reverse. What are your runners to watch today? I won't be trading at open. I'm doing this for another 30 minutes, and then I will do live trading for from 9 a.m. to 9:30 till market open in the Discord, to just set up members for the plays and everything, as I won't be trading intraday because I have other commitments. But yeah, these ones on the blue are the plays I'm watching. Blue are the plays I'm watching. Orange are also, but I don't trade those ones. How do you have a life? Yeah, I know. Sometimes I just have to explain to people. They're like, why are you not here? Where are you? Where are you? Like, because I do this so consistently every day. I mean, I think I think I am, if not the most consistent trader on Twitter, giving charts every single day like this. I don't think anyone does it, but I'm here for the community. I'm here to help everybody, you know? I'm here for the community. ADTX, this is still bearish. Actually, so look, you see how it's downtrend like that? What I'll do is I'll just focus on more recent price action so you can get a better idea what's going on. So obviously we're bearish. You can see where there's a lot of rejection, probably around here, right? 0.12. So 0.12, you'll notice that that's a psychological level. So what I suggest is waiting for 0.12, because that might indicate that there's a possible reversal forming. Same thing applies, candle close above, all those great things. All right, so above 0.12, wouldn't bother getting in. I mean, I would bother focus on this. So ADTX, wait for 0.12 break to enter. All right, so 0.12, then you can take the trade. Anything below, nothing, because as you saw in the large time frame, or when I zoomed out, downtrend, right? Like up the stream, yes. So we got 70, 80 people in here, and we got 35 likes. Guys, we're getting much better at them. That's fantastic. I see everybody's questions. Just bear with me, all right? I have changed the stream delay, so it's not as delayed. It's like 5 seconds instead of like 1 minute or whatever the heck it was. So yeah, we do have jobs coming out in We have three parts of news today. We have average hourly earnings month on month. We have non-farm employment, and we have unemployment rates. So these are big for the overall market. Small caps doesn't really matter too much, but yeah, overall it will affect the market. We'll see. We'll see. All right. What do you think about B-Hat, Mr. David? I don't know what to tell you, my friend. Hope you're in football. Thank you. In Dubai, but unfortunately in Saudi, German hospital. Ooh, I know that place. I know it. I know exactly where that is. B-Hat broke 0.5. Guys, if you watch my review, I said above 0.7. Or 7 cents. I do not like this stock and will not be trading it at all. Guys, also some people, I mean, I know a lot of people are new to trading when they join my page because it's a little bit different to others. And just in general, when they think someone who has a following, just because they post a chart, it means they're in and all this stuff, right? You need to understand that because I post a thing on Twitter or whatever, if I post a chart, it does not mean I'm in. It does not mean buy. That's why when I post my charts, I try and give you an explanation on what you must do before entering so you can learn and understand. In the Discord, we trade the highest probability setups that we look for, and the strategy that we trade and why we enter is the same thing every time. So all these charts that I'm putting on Twitter, I'm not in any of them when I'm in the Discord. In the Discord, we're on the other trades. We're in other trades. Unless it's round hit first target, then I'll post it on Twitter and all those things. But 99% of the times, the stocks that I trade or the stocks that I post on Twitter, I'm not in them on the Discord. All right. So just to understand that for some new people. All right. MULN. How's that one doing? I haven't had Mullen in a long time. Yeah, Mullen, nothing on this, unfortunately. Mullen doesn't look pretty. Mullen doesn't look good. Yes, I'm going to go through this candle wick just so I can get more touches like this to show you the trend. Obviously, you can see the overall trend is very bearish, but still based on this, it is bearish. So Mullen is still bearish. Unfortunately. Kareem. CDT, is it running again? Yeah, so CDT is pulling back now, obviously. So your entry is about 325. That's where I would look for an entry. Anything below, personally not interested. All right. BBAI, let's have a look. BBAI, ranging. Wow, I lost all my lines on this. So I had a line here at whatever the support was, like 5 something. Yeah, 512. So this was the pullback that I want. I'll look for load up entries probably around here. I might even take for a swing when it gets around this level because strong bullish momentum. It needs a healthy pullback. It's ran up how much percent? So from here, right, we've ran up like over 100%, 120%, which is insane. So it needs a pullback, as stocks always do. They do come down, whether you know it or not, or like it or not. That is the way stocks move. Looking for pullbacks to $5.12. That is what I'm looking for. If I don't get there, I don't take the trade. If I get there, fantastic. Then I can look for my entries. But I'm not worried. I'll focus on something else in the meantime. Waiting for SOPA close above. Wow, SOPA's gone. Wow. This thing was up 10% when I last saw it. Fair play. Fair play on SOPA. Wow, this has crazy volume. Damn. Anybody in this thing? This is crazy volume though. I mean, for it to continue up like that, pretty insane. I see everybody's questions. Please bear with me. Still going through everyone. BHAT moving, bro. Made more from your tweets than just any subscription service I've used. Amazing to hear. Well done, my friend. Glad I can help you. UPC 52%. I think it's come down, right? Yeah, UPC is in demand zone. Tricky right now. Maybe a possibly a falling wedge. It's not that clean of one. It's kind of a forced setup. But you have something like this. Yeah, a little bit difficult, but yeah, I don't know. I would certainly wait for VWAP. RTC. RTC, nothing on this, extremely low volume, very bearish, nothing on RTC. I really hope you're not in that. EBAI, looking for pullback to $12. Other than that, I'm not really interested. I mean, maybe wait for the downtrend break here. Yeah, downtrend break. GRRR, I've done it, already did it. GRR, I posted it. This is my prediction for it to continue to go up. ADTX, ADTX. What's happening with ADTX? Wait for 0.12. That's your major resistance. 0.12 on ADTX. I'll add this to my watch list just for Discord members. They can have a watch on this today. All right. Cat thoughts. Cat? Never heard of that. Oh, Caterpillar. They have earnings coming up or what on this? Overall trend is bearish. I'm not really a fan of something like this, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's just difficult to trade something like this. The highest probability setup you have is good buys above this, whatever this is, 377.5. Maybe above here would be good for entries, because if you look left after this, right, there's no resistance. Here you have resistance here, and then here, and then here. So it's difficult. Like, what I suggest is 377.5 is maybe a good load up position, but if you're long on it, then yeah, these are just your key levels for now. Hope that helps you. This cat key levels shown. BHAT finally moving. No stop loss at pre-market. What is your tip to make with no big stop loss? Trade one stock at a time. Don't trade with more than 10% of your account. Have a max 5% stop loss during pre-market. Or just don't trade pre-market at all. I just would leave it alone. You know, so one trade at a time. But if you cannot have a stop loss, that's why it's extremely difficult and high risk. That's why I wouldn't trade with more than 10% of your account. Some people it's nothing, that's not a lot, but to some people it is a lot. So in my opinion, if you had the choice, just don't trade it at all, to be honest. Unless you have to trade pre-market, then yeah, a little bit different. CYTH, this is running very nicely. Just gonna fill up these wicks here on the 4 hour. Very nice. So I got the 4 hour, see where there's been big moves. Like here's a wick. Whether these are fake wicks or not, and they're not on TradingView and other brokers, I'm still just gonna post these. I'm not posting this one here because this is very close to that. So yeah, it looks alright. Obviously extremely bullish. Discord members, if you took this based on candlestick strategy, congrats. If not, it's okay. Do not chase us now because that's a stupid idea. FOMO, just relax. I guarantee you the stock will come down. Let it pull back. When it starts to pull back, draw the downtrend. So let's say if it starts to pull back here, draw the downtrend. Let the stock do this. Let it come down. Let it break above. Entry here. And then go up. Cool. Got it. Nice. Easy. All right. RNAS is, this is my prediction, to go up from here. RNAS prediction. All right, this is my prediction for RNAS. Thank you for everything. No problem, Uzi. I got you, bro. ASST, is it still below $1? Yeah, nothing unless $1 break. ASST, wait for $1. ASST, still wait for $1 break to enter the trade. Oops. ASST, wait for $1 break. All right, needs to break above $1. Farm is 15% up. Difficult on this because there's not much price action, but draw this, something like that. 227 maybe above that. Yeah, you can keep it on watch. I know it's in the top gainers, up 15%, so something to watch for sure. Definitely would focus on something else though. There's a lot better plays. Farm, wait for 227 break. Yeah, above 227. Guys, this is the only Discord link, please, right? No Telegram, no WhatsApp, none of that BS. That is the link. I'll post it twice so you can see what is going on, all right? So you can see what's going on. So listen here, one quick thing about the Discord is once you join through that WAP link, you have a decision to make. 1 month or 3 month tier. Once you've decided to do that and made the choice, then you can link your Discord through the WAP. Then you'll have claiming your Discord access, and then you'll have access to the Discord where all the alerts are. All the alerts, all the education, everything is in there, right? That's where we chat with members, and that is where the community is. The WAP is basically just the payment link, and then also the WAP has all your, well, not all, but it has some of your seminars on there that you can watch, which has the strategies, the risk management plans, all that kind of stuff in there as well, all right? WISA is currently bearish, downtrend, low volume, nothing on this, unfortunately. SOPA close above, let's go. Where's SOPA? Needs to go, needs to go. MIST, what's happening? MIST has very low volume. What I would suggest is the highest probability is just waiting for this break above. I know it might be a while because there's lack of volume, but in my opinion, when something like this has no volume, but they get volume, as soon as they do get volume, it does give a lot of bullish momentum. So there's a high probability this will just break and run. So 243 break is definitely a price alert to put up. So what you can do is you can right click on 243, click create alert at 243, and then whenever it gets there, you can take the trade basically. MIST, wait for 243 break. 4 entries. All right, so 243 break, good luck. KITT, KITT. KITT, nothing really. I mean, it looks like it's trying to reverse here, or this is a possible double bottom actually. Didn't even see this. Double bottom is a bullish reversal pattern. That means price should reverse here and push to the upside. So yeah, looks good. Looks decent. So KITT, possible double bottom forming. All right, so double bottom means this. Look here, up. So this is the first bottom here, then come down, then go up. That's what we expect, right? The double top is the inverse. So if you flip this, right, and let's say it's like this, you have that rejection, then you have here, then you have double rejection, then it should come down. Just the opposite. So if you flip it upside down, inverse. All right. Still waiting on the move for WISA. Adio ticker change for volume. Thank you. You are the best. No problem. CYTH. How's that looking? Yeah, it looks great. I would just wait for a pullback because usually what happens is you'll chase at the top and it'll never, and then it'll come down and you don't know what to do. FBLG. I see everybody's questions. A lot of questions. Just bear with me. All right, guys. Just bear with me. If you posted it, you've posted it. I see your question that you posted. FBLG, there's low volume right now, nothing at the moment, unfortunately. TEM, this is bullish unless it's changed. Yeah, chart is still very bullish, expecting continuation to the upside. Very nice chart on this. Gave this to a member at $50 when he asked about it. Yeah, pretty insane move. $72 is double. Looks great. Looks great, looks great, looks great. How was the news? How was the news here with the non-farm and all that kind of stuff? Good or bad? Ooh, non-farm was down. Hot. Unemployment rates down by 0.1%, which is good, I guess. Which is good, I guess. Which is good, I guess. Which is good. CDT. Guys, let's like up the stream. Come on, come on, come on. 50 likes and there's 120 or 110 people in here. Come on. CDT, I would wait for an entry above 325. If you want to enter now, you're more than welcome to. I would just wait for it. Right? I would just wait. I would just wait. I would just wait. CDT, MGOL. MGOL is here. MJOL, I would just wait for VWAP on this, Kelly. Right now it's bearish. Just wait for that. SOPA moving. Yeah, SOPA is moving. It's here. It's just projecting off this level. Rejecting. RBLX, what's happening here? We have RBLX, very weird chart on this. Huge sell-off here for think earnings or whatever it was. Yeah, it was. Right now it's just difficult. I mean, if I had to take an entry, probably above $68. Expect continuation then, but right now it's bearish, so it's difficult. CTM is bullish, very nice. Continuation to the upside. I have this on my watch list somewhere. Where is it? CTM is somewhere. So CTM looks good. What I would do is I would add this to the watch list like this. Yeah, it looks great. These are your key levels for CTM. Looks great. It's above $1 as well. Has volume up 30% yesterday and 15% today. Looks good. CTM key levels. All right, KOPN. Maybe a bullish pennant forming like this. Yeah, possibly something like this. KOPN, possible bullish pennant. Bullish pennant. NIO, EV stock. What's happening with NEO? NEO has zero volume. Well, NEO, I would say, is doing this, right? It's not really got any kind of trend in terms of the direction of where it wants to go. I would say it's just ranging. If you were to take a trade on this, maybe above 447. NEO only. So NEO only look for entries above 447. 4.47 or even 4.5. CYTH, as I mentioned, CYTH is very bullish. I personally don't like trading something that continues to go up like this, but Discord members, you know how to trade something like this because you know how to take the candlestick strategy. So that's what you can use on this. Personally, I don't like to chase and FOMO. I always just wait for a pullback because it will come down. It will come down. SOPA, what's happening? Yeah, SOPA needs to get back over that 253. Yeah, it is low. I'm trying to get in. All right. Do you go live like this daily or on the Discord? I go on live like this every single day on Twitter, or sorry, on YouTube like this. I start every day at 8:30 for 30 minutes on YouTube. And then in the Discord, when market opens, I go live for an hour, and then Hassie goes on for an hour after me. So 2 hours live in the Discord. We show the setups like this, we explain, you can see our chart, we tell you why to get in, where to get in, all those things as well. These just ask for one chart at a time, guys, as well. I'm not a robot. CYTH popped off news. Yeah, it's crazy. When to sell SOPA. So Jamie, one thing to mention, and I know some people might know exactly what I'm going to go over, is your risk management. So when you enter the trade, Jamie, did you have a target and stop loss in mind? If you didn't, I would definitely stop trading for now. Start to learn what risk management is. Understand, okay, when I get in my trades, where's my target? Where's my stop loss? What am I doing? Why have I entered the trade? Once you know that, then every single time you enter the trade, you'll know where your target and the stop loss is. For me personally, something very simple and easy to do is have a 5% target and a 5% stop loss. That is it. That is what I would do. CNSP. CNSP doesn't have much volume. Yeah, still bearish. Nothing on CNSP. CNSP. Wrecker. Here's your levels on Wrecker. Still bullish. So Wrecker still bullish. Do you go live like this daily? Yes, I go like this. 8:30 to 9, I go live, and then what I do is I go live in the Discord at 9:30 to 10:30. Then Hasi goes on from 10:30 to 11:30. LTRY for new measurements. Yeah, it is. Yes, yes, that's correct. You are correct with that one. HEPA, mbot, let me have a look. mbot's broken out, which is obviously a good sign. The next key levels are right here, 299, and then you have all the way up here at 404. So these are your key levels for. Looks like a great stock. Actually, I like this setup a lot. Bullish setup. So this is broken out. We look like we're pushing to the upside. Yep. Definitely keep this one on watch for probably next week. I'll just put it in purple so I know what's going on. A lot of plays are moving at the moment. A lot of plays. EPA. Haven't heard that one in a while. EPA, wait for 0.2 cents to look for an entry. That's what I would suggest. HEPA, wait for 0.2 break to enter. Alright, above that, then looks good. Anything below, not interested. Thanks, Tiger, no problem. PTN, PTN, nothing on this. Nothing on this, to be honest. It's just kind of ranging right now, like here. Not really interested, to be honest with you. Entry for CYTH, well, you're not going to enter now because it's the highest point. Like I said, the stock will come down. Where do you enter? Draw the downtrend like this. If it breaks above the downtrend, then maybe you can look for an entry. You can either enter there, you can look for entry at VWAP, you can use chart bullish reversal patterns, you can look for support levels, all those things are there. Downtrend break is the easiest way to do it. ONDS, no volume on this, but it looks like it's breaking out. Yeah, it's just a bit of a difficult trade setup. It doesn't have much volume, so I don't feel confident in it. Just difficult. So you can mark a key level here, 246, 220. Cool, like that. I mean, these are just your key levels. So if you enter, you've entered, but I just wouldn't trade something like this. Key levels. ALLR. So ALLR 7%, like this, downtrend. Yeah, I would wait for the downtrend break like that. Looks good though, to be honest, it does look good. I like this starting to push to the upside, broken this high as well. Starting to reverse. ONDS LLR, SOPA hit 253 entry. Yeah, it did close above here, but the only issue is that there's not much volume. Like, look, see this? When there's lack of volume, it usually won't respect technical. So as you can see, it closed above here, but due to a lack of volume, it will not respect it and it'll probably come down, which it has. That's the issue, but it's above VWAP, which is good. So if you want to take an entry here, I would say it's worth entries because it looks bullish. What's happened is you've broken above VWAP, you've retested it, and I expect it to continue to go up. So yeah, if you want to enter, you enter. I think it's good. Make sure to have a stop loss and target in mind. Always. KWE, absolutely nothing on this. Extremely low volume. Overall trend on this is extremely bearish. Nothing on KWE. UPC, what time frame am I using? Please just look on here. You can see it's a 4 hour, and then you can see here. So when I'm doing larger time frames like this, when you see the chart is a little, when I'm doing the key levels, something like this, then you can see that I'm on the 4 hour time frame. Then I like to trade on the 5 minute. That's what I base my entries on. It's not the best time frame, but this is the time frame that I used to take my trades. The 4 hour I just used to do my key levels, and then simply go onto the 5 minute to look for my entries. So something like UPC, I would wait for 0.31 to take an entry on this. Anything below, I am not interested. All right, so UPC, wait for 0.31. UPC, No entries unless 0.31 break. 0.31 break, then you can look for entries. All right. LIDR. LIDR. LIDR, there's nothing on this. Overall time frame or overall charts, but choppy. Let's see, daily. Yeah, I don't really like this, to be honest. I know it's a former runner. Maybe above $1 you can look for an entry, but it's just difficult because when you're so close to a psychological level, especially $1, this is something that I would keep in mind. If I can get a close above that on whichever time frame you choose, then maybe that's a good entry. Preferably above the 4 hour would be good. $1, what's this? Leader needs to close above $1 for entries. All right, so above $1 looks nice. Anything below, it's difficult. Thanks, Tiger. No problemo, my friend. No problem, my friend. Wow, Discord members all hit their goal already this morning. Very nice. Very nice to see. GG's. Right, Sopper moving higher. Let's see. Yeah, Sopper looks good. I like it. Looks good. Right. Gonna go through my watch list here, and then I'm gonna do some live trading for the Discord, and then I am out of here for the week. So CTM, nothing really, just pushing up. Yeah, not really interested in this one too much. CYTH, as I mentioned, the stock will come down, and I bet you people bought here 150 and now they're crying because it's down and they don't know what to do. LRTY, this one at the moment, it's still bearish. It's below VWAP from what I noticed. Yes, it is. I would wait for $2.10 to take an entry. BBAI is always a good one to watch. It ran parabolic on Thursday or Wednesday, sorry. Looks good. Ideally, entries about 512. RR, just bullish sector in general. Lays breaking out, looks all right. This is my prediction for it to go up. SOPA, we just went over this one. I like it. It's worth entries in my opinion. CDT is pushing up very nicely. Keep this one on watch. I would take entries above $3.25. So I'll put this up here. CDT, wait for $3.25. Break for entries. All right. And then what else? Oh, these are sub $1. MJOL looks good. I say this one close above VWAP would be good for entries. And IVF, nothing on this. I would just delete this play. UPC, nothing interesting. ADTX off my watch list. Oshia, don't really care too much. All right, MBOT looks good as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna head into the Discord now. Live train link will be sent out in like 5 minutes. Just let me chill out for a little bit. Yeah, if you want to join, the Discord link is right here, which will be live trading into open. Fridays, I do not trade until the market times change or the clocks change. Then I will be back live for an hour into after open. But for now, I will be live trading into open, and then I will be done for the day. All right, so Discord members, I'll see you in a bit. Good, guys, have a great rest of your day. I'll give 1 or 2 setups before open, and then I'm gone. All right, have a great weekend. See you all Monday. Peace.